Trustwallet is an online wallet well known in the blockchain communities, and it can be used for almost everything in Web3, from basic stuff like trading cryptos and digital assets to more advanced DeFi tools like staking, yield farming, and lending. One of the competitive features of Trust Wallet is its focus on speed and efficiency. Transactions on the wallet are confirmed within like a few seconds. Millions of traders rely on this digital wallet because of its adaptability and accessibility, especially for those using the Yes, Trust Wallet integrates Binance Smart Chain alongside with a bunch of prominent blockchains too. However, as beautiful and optimal as it is, we can't avoid experiencing some issues when using the wallet. In this video, I will target one specific issue, and that is why BNB might not be available on Trust Wallet. My name is Daily, and welcome to CoinWire, covering cryptocurrencies guides, tips, reviews, and news. Alright, that's enough. The first reason why BNB might not be available on Trust Wallet is because of the high demand for BNB. There are instances when Trust Wallet couldn't handle BNB due to its exceeding demand. By the time of making this video, BNB sits at top 5 most traded tokens in 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. Also, with more than 25 million people using Trust Wallet, sometimes the system would have to make you wait until there are lesser requests before you could proceed with the transaction. The second reason why is that there might be some issues in BNB availability. There could be instances wherein BNB coins are not available on the integrated exchanges of Trust Wallet, like MoonPay, Ramp, Binance Connect, and so on. So how can this happen? Well, the thing is, these exchanges might be running low on their BNB supply, so they would not be able to sell their BNB to users. Or even worse, they might ban selling BNB in your region. To purchase more BNBs, you would have to wait for them to make BNB available again or check to see if your country is blacklisted by these providers. We can say that Trust Wallet has earned the trust of its users. Nonetheless, there could be problems caused by traffic and lack of supply when it comes to buying BNB. When this occurs, what you have to do is wait. Be patient until the network is not congested or the provider makes BNB available again. Of course, if you don't want to wait, there are alternatives, but that I will have to leave for another video. So, that concludes my take on why BNB might not be available on Trust Wallet. Have you got it? Don't worry, I'll leave our link to this article down below. Now, if you know other reasons as to why BNB is not available on Trust, kindly let us know in the comments. Finally, we also have other kick-ass social channels like our official website CoinWire, our various Twitters and Telegrams for crypto and market news update. The links to all of it is also in the video description. That's it for your boy Daily. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, but not your keyboard when you lose money on a trade. And I'll be seeing you guys in our next video very soon. Stay safe and take care.